YALONG YL-399G Multi-Industrial Robot Manufacturer System. Raw Material Transporting Workstation. Curved Milling Assembling Workstation. Stamping Handling Workstation. Automatic Locking Screw Workstation. Storage Palletizing Workstation. The following is the device running time. A station is the raw material transporting station. The robot moves the material tray to the conveying line. After the locating device locates the tray, moving the material onto the tray. After the transfer is completed, the material will be transported to the next station by the transfer line. The second station is Curved Milling Assembling Workstation. In this video, engrave and mill the materials of simulation. After engraving and milling processing completed, then assembly the material. The third station is Stamping Handling Station. After the material is ready, the robot assembled the material on the top cover. The fourth station is Automatic Low Screw Station. The station is sufficient for time-sharing materials locking screw processing. In this video, the robot screws on the material. The fifth station is the Storage Palletizing Workstation. The robots respectively carry the finished processing materials from the factory to the different warehouses to palletize.